How y'all doing? This your boy, Old Man Mechanic here. Now what we got right here today is a 2005 Chrysler 300 here. Now this right here is a himi here, himi motor here. It requires for 16 spark plugs here. See these right here? We got a little old and damaged here. We gonna put some new ones in here. We got the new champions. I don't normally recommend champion, but we gonna put back what came out of here. It's the 300 here, Chrysler here. We gonna put some champion plugs in this hemi here. Once again, Old Man Mechanic. Done it again.